Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. As you've seen in the title, I'm going to be straightening my hair for the first time, you guys. And I did this whole process for the low. So first I'm starting out with my Tresemme Heat Tamer thermal creation product. This I got from HEB. It was like $4.99. It says that this has heat protection up to 450 degrees and it's a leave-in spray. After I've applied this product in my hair thoroughly, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry. I got this universal comb that you can add on to your dryer, an attachment from my local beauty supply store, but it didn't do a good job. It kept falling off, so I need to just go and buy an actual blow dryer that comes with the attachment already on there. So while my hair blow dries, let me go ahead and give you a little backstory on my hair. I've been natural for I think about 3 years at this point. And I used to be really good to my hair. I really did. But this past year, I have been terrible with my hair. I've kept it braided. I wasn't really keeping it hydrated. I wasn't really like oiling my scalp. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I've been really terrible on my hair the past probably like 6 or 7 months. Like, definitely since I moved to Austin. Because as you guys know from my previous video about my move to Austin, I lived in hotels for like a good little minute, and during that process I didn't do anything to my hair, like, at all. And then when I finally did get my place, I didn't do much to my hair either. I just was kind of lazy with it. So I'm not gonna lie, my hair probably is really damaged and it's my own fault. So now that my hair is blow dried enough to my liking, because I'm tired of wrestling with the blow dryer, as you probably see in the footage, it kept popping off like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the straightening part of this whole video. Now I'm gonna take my Thermal Creations by Tresemme flat iron spray, and I said flat iron spray. And this is pretty much for heat protection and a protection. Ooh, I can't read this word, y'all, but whatever. Y'all, I feel so stupid. So I was trying to read the Spanish formulation of heat protection because they had a little slash and then they had the Spanish word for it, so I definitely messed that up, but I'm gonna leave it in as a blooper, so it is what it is. So my flat iron is set to 300 and I believe 90 degrees is what I have it on, because I know that that's not too bad and I can do a couple of passes and not feel bad about it. But in the end, you'll see, I'm gonna let you know that I switched flat irons later on and got a way better result, which I should have did that from the jump. So just stay tuned and you'll see. Also, on a couple of pieces of hair, I also tried to do what my mom used to do when I was natural and younger with the straightening comb. She would take a towel and like use it to hold in the heat so that it can be concentrated like on the actual hair strands, and it did help to an extent. Like I said, this flat iron was on a lower temperature, so when I tried it with a chi, you'll see later in the video when I did the chi, it looks way different than what it looks like now. So this is what my hair looked like when I finished flat ironing it with the 390-degree flat iron. This is the results. It's kind of fluffy. I did take scissors and cut on it. So this is just how it looks. I just played around to see what certain parts and stuff would look like on my hair. But literally the clip right after this is what it looks like with the chi, which is totally different and way more sleek. Hey guys, so I know that the whole video has been a voiceover, but I did have to come back to you guys and give you guys an update. So the footage you seen before with me straightening my hair was, like I said, I think at like 390 degrees on a different flat iron, and I went to work. So now I'm back home from work. It rained, so I straightened my hair again. Well, I went through it one pass each section, and as you can see, it's like almost bone straight now. And I used my chi flat iron this time versus the one that I used at the beginning of the video. So I will say, if you got a chi, use a chi. Or I probably could have still used the one I had before, but I could just turn the heat up to 450. I mean, my heat protectant does say it protects up to 450, and I could have went up, but I was just trying to be on the safe side. But if you like the more blowout straight kind of look, then you can do like less heat. But if you prefer like straighter looking hair, then I would say you would have to bring the heat up some, because if not, it's going to be not as, it's gonna be kind of stiff too. Like this right now, like this is not as stiff as it was when I went through it with the lower heat. So it's just really up to you guys what you want to do. Before I went through it again, I did add some more of the Tresemme flat iron guard spray. Y'all, I really love this. Honestly, like it pretty much like moisturizes your hair. Like it feels like it's greasy, but your hair is not greasy. That's the thing. Like I don't know, like if like going on it feels like grease, and when you look at your hand it looks like grease, but it's not grease. And yeah, it tames frizz and smooths hair for a lasting sleek finish. And so like now that I've went through my hair with the Chi, it does look way more sleek than it did before. That's truly it, guys, because I did end it in the other video not thinking that I was gonna come back and mess with my hair some more. But that is truly it. I will see you guys in my next video. I've only cut my hair while it was curled, like, and that was so long ago. So yeah, if my ends look stupid, don't turn me up. I just have to get it cut by a professional. I did cut on it myself, but whatever.